Understanding the phrase, hand out candy, a simple guide to everyday English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, hand out candy. This expression is simple, yet it's a great example of how everyday language can be full of meaning. So, let's dive in and understand it better. Hand out refers to the action of distributing something to people. It's like giving things to multiple people, one at a time. The word, candy, is what's being handed out. Those sweet, delicious treats that everyone loves. Together, hand out candy means distributing sweets to a group of people, often in a casual or celebratory setting. This phrase is commonly used in contexts like Halloween, where it's traditional to give candy to children who come trick-or-treating. It's also used in situations like parties, events, or even in offices, where someone might bring candy to share with others. The phrase evokes a sense of sharing and generosity. Hand out candy isn't just about the physical act of giving sweets. It's also tied to cultural practices and feelings of community and joy. In many cultures, sharing food, especially sweets, is a way to celebrate, show affection, or welcome someone. There are other phrases with a similar meaning, like give away treats or distribute sweets. These all convey the idea of sharing something pleasant with others, although hand out candy is unique in its playful and informal connotation. We hope this video helped you understand the phrase, hand out candy. It's a simple expression but rich in cultural and social meaning. Remember, learning a language is not just about words, but also about the context and culture behind them. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.